Hey pupils! Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of professions. Do you know what professions are? They are the different jobs people do every day to help our community and make life better. From brave doctors and hardworking teachers to skillful farmers and creative artists, each profession is special and important. Are you ready to discover the amazing jobs people do and maybe even think about what you want to be when you grow up? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you can learn something new and fun every time we upload. Let's get started.
Walk through a world. Action meets learning. Globally connected with the world.
Teacher, teacher. A teacher helps students learn. Farmer, farmer. A farmer grows crops in the fields. Pilot, pilot. A pilot flies airplanes in the sky. Engineer, engineer. An engineer designs machines and buildings. Nurse, nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. Chef, chef. A chef cooks tasty food. Driver, driver. A driver drives cars, buses, or trucks. Police officer, police officer. A police officer keeps people safe. Firefighter, firefighter. A firefighter puts out fire and saves lives. Lawyer, lawyer. A lawyer helps people in court. Scientist, scientist. A scientist discovers new things. Singer, singer. A singer sings beautiful songs. Actor, actor. An actor performs in movies or dramas. Artist, artist. An artist paints and makes drawings. Soldier, soldier. A soldier protects the country. Tailor, tailor. A tailor makes and stitches clothes. Barber, barber. A barber cuts and styles hair. Baker, baker. A baker bakes bread and cakes. Journalist, journalist. A journalist reports and writes news. Photographer, photographer. A photographer takes pictures with a camera. Mechanic, mechanic. A mechanic repairs vehicles and machines. Carpenter, carpenter. A carpenter makes wooden furniture. Dentist, dentist. A dentist takes care of teeth. Pharmacist, pharmacist. A pharmacist gives medicine to people. Electrician, electrician. An electrician fixes lights and wires. Plumber, plumber. A plumber repairs taps and pipes. Waiter, waiter. A waiter serves food in restaurants. Postman, postman. A postman delivers letters and parcels.